Hey, what's up? It's Gene Clark from Ddwk Travel, and I'm bringing you another Tip Tuesday travel tip of the day. Today, we are talking about the Disney reservation system and a secret hack you need to know about. We've heard rumors of this, never been able to verify until today. Today, we had a client go on, and we've heard rumors that at 1 p.m. every day, they release a few more reservations, even if those parks are totally full. They've got some last-minute reservations that are available. We've never seen it pop up, and in fact, it did not pop up if you were just looking. But they were able to purchase their tickets right at 1 p.m., might have been 12:55, and all of a sudden, all parks were available. There were no blacked out parks, even though if you went on and you checked the calendar, some of the parks still unavailable. But they were able to lock in the parks. They were looking to go to Hollywood Studios. Hollywood Studios and Magic Kingdom. Showing is booked up. Buy their tickets. All parks are available. They're going to Hollywood Studios. Last minute ticket purchase. Didn't matter. Park totally booked. Didn't matter. They were willing to hit up Epcot or Animal Kingdom. Really wanted Hollywood Studios and bought the tickets at the exact right time. Hollywood Studios was available. So that's the tip. If you are looking for a park that is totally sold out, buy your tickets right around 1 o'clock or talk to your travel agent. Let us book it for you at 1 o'clock. And you can look and get those taken care of. The other option is maybe you can go online, or again, if you have an awesome travel agent, they can go online right around 1 o'clock every day and try to switch those parks you may already have set up. But that's it for today, and as always, you're welcome.